In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a rollup field in Airtable. A rollup field is a really useful way to summarize information from related records without having to do the math manually. It helps you pull values from linked records and calculate results automatically, which is perfect when you want totals, counts, or other quick summaries directly inside your table. To begin, open the Airtable table where you want to add the rollup field. This is the table where the final calculated result will appear, so make sure you're working in the right place before you continue. Taking a second to confirm that now will make the setup much smoother. Next, check that your table already includes a linked record field. A rollup depends on linked records because it needs a connection between one table and another in order to gather data. If that linked record field is already there, you're ready to move on. This relationship is what allows Airtable to look into another table and bring back the values you want to summarize. Once that's in place, click the plus button to add a new field and choose the rollup field type. This tells Airtable that instead of storing plain text or numbers, this new field will calculate information based on linked records. Naming the field clearly can also help you identify its purpose later, especially if your base has a lot of columns. After creating the rollup field, select the linked record field as the source for the rollup. This step is important because it tells Airtable which relationship it should follow to find the related data. If you choose the wrong linked field, the results may not reflect the records you expect. Then choose the field from the linked table that you want to calculate. For example, this might be a number field, a price field, or any other value you want Airtable to combine or analyze. Be sure to pick the field that matches the type of result you're trying to produce. Now enter a formula such as sum values or count all values. The formula controls how Airtable processes all the values coming from the linked records. Sum adds them together, while count all counts how many values are included. Choosing the right formula depends on whether you want a total, a count, or another kind of summary. Finally, check the result in your table. Review the rollup output to make sure it's displaying the calculation you expected. If something looks off, it's usually worth double-checking the linked record source, the selected field, and the formula. Once everything looks correct, your rollup field is ready to use.